All right, we're here with Mrs. Tovar's fourth period pre-AP math class, the best pre-AP math class ever.
Thank you.
Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. Okay, let's stay focused. Best pre-AP math class, right? Okay, so the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to find perimeter and area of irregular figures. Let's start off by finding the perimeter. Now, most mistakes that I see made are that people just add the numbers that they see. But sometimes you have to go in and you have to find numbers that are not given to you. So we need to count the sides. So let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So if I have 8 sides, then I need to make sure that I'm adding up a total of 8 numbers. Well, I can see here, I'm going to start here. I see I have 3 centimeters. The next line here, I don't have a number. So I need to stop and think. This whole line is 12. And they give me a piece of this line, which is 2. So if I take 12 and subtract 2, I get 10.
And then you divide that by 2.
Very good. Now I would divide that by 2 because I can see that this side and this side are about the same. They're equal to each other. So I know then if I take 10 and divide it by 2, that both these sides are 5 centimeters. So I'm going to go ahead and label those. Okay. So I'm going to continue on. I see that now I can add 5 centimeters. But then again, I come here and I see I'm without a number. But I know since they gave me these little hash marks here, this side is parallel to this side, so they must have the same angle. So if this side is 9 centimeters, then this side must be what class?
9 centimeters.
Y'all are awesome.
No.
All right, so I'm going to go ahead and continue. I've already accounted for my 5. Now I'm going to put 9. Then we have plus 2 centimeters. Then I have 9 centimeters. Another 5 centimeters. And then here again, I run into parallel sides. I see that this side is 3 and this side is parallel, so this side must also be what?
That's
3.
3
So let's put 3 centimeters. So then I add 3 centimeters plus 12 centimeters. And I check. If I said I have 8 sides, remember I'm checking to see that I have 8 numbers. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Now that I've done that, I need to add up all my numbers. So can somebody add that for us? We need to make sure we add 3 plus 5 plus 9 plus 2. Okay, class, what is the total perimeter?
No, I think
48.
48. Very good. So 48 centimeters. Let's put 48 centimeters here. And now we need to find the area. So we need to break this shape up. Remember like when we talked about in class, we broke it up into 2 shapes?
Yeah.
All right, awesome.
I remember.
So I see here, I can break this shape up here, and I have shape 1 and shape 2. That makes 2 rectangles. So I know a rectangle, I need base times height. So let's look at shape 1. What is the base times the height in shape 1? Can somebody raise their hand and tell me? Emily.
36.
Well, I wanted to know the base and the height. Aaron?
9 and 2.
9 and 2. So let's put 9 times 2. And we know that 9 times 2 is what?
18.
Good. So I'm going to put 18 and I'm going to put centimeters squared because remember dimension times dimension is squared. And then I'm going to calculate calculate the other area. Here, I think this is the one Emily gave me. We have a 3 by 12 in the second one. So let's do 3 times 12. And that is 36 centimeters squared. And then my last step to find the total area would be add 18 plus 36. And class, what do I get when I add 18 plus 36?
54.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. 54 centimeters squared. So now I have showed you how to find the perimeter and the area of an irregular figure. Now for 6, 7, and 8, you will be doing finding either perimeter or the area of each shape. So read carefully. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye from the best parent class.